Yeah. That.
A very good evening to our lecturer. Me and my group member Kishan will be presenting about OOP problem-based task. Uh, my name is Dharmendran and my friend's name is Kishan. We'll be presenting now. As you can see the source code, we've done a coding about hotel rent system. We've used Java and Kishan will be explaining about it now.
So this is the coding source code for the system, and the file name is hotel rent system, and the class name also the hotel rent system, and there is some data types for the for for day we use int data type. For pay, total service and total rent we use float data type, and for the balance we use float data type, and for name and IC we use string data type, and that is the coding for password. There I have two chance to re-enter the password if you enter the wrong password. So that is the coding for it. We use string data type password. Then if you enter the password correctly in first chance, you will get the output that it's authentication successful. Then if you enter the wrong password, you will get the output. Um, this is next slide. Sorry. Uh, you will get the no first slide. If you enter the wrong password, you will get the uh, output that your password is wrong, and re-enter the password. Authentication is failed. That is the output for the wrong password. And so it is the coding for the hotel rent system for the receipt header. Next. So you can see the uh, formulas for the receipt payment and balance, and we use the if else if uh, for this coding. Mm, next. Okay, there there are three types of hotel. So you must choose the type of hotel. If you wrongly enter invalid input, there are output is come that is a try again incorrect input. Next. Mhm. So that is the receipt header coding. Next. Next. So that is the system dot out print and then wrong password authentication fail. As I say, that is the output for the wrong password. If you we enter the wrong password, you will get the output. Next.
Now I'll be explaining
So
about the output.
can
Kishan, can you see the slide? For the wrong password, as you can see, please enter your password 3434. And if it's the wrong password, authentication failed. Please enter your password 343. Wrong password, authentication failed. Please enter the password 434. Still a wrong password, authentication failed. And the process is completed. Now we go to the next slide. As you can see, this is room type 1. The coding for the room and your IC details, what kind of room you're going to book and how much is the rent, service charge, total rent, everything has been coded inside this system, as you can see clearly. And you should use the correct password. As you can see, the password is password 1234, but the A is not an A, it's an @ button, and the customer name and all. This is the continuation of the billing system. Hopefully you can see. And at the end, the process is completed. This is room type 2. The rent is 840. The service charge is 67 and 20 cents. The total rent should be 907 and 20 cents. So if, let's say, example, we've paid 910 ringgit, your balance should be around 2 ringgit and 70 cents, as you can see here. And it's a continuation of the system, and the process is completed. And this is room type 3. As you can see, the authentication is successful, and the customer name, customer IC, the types of room he has ordered, the rent, service charge, total rent are different compared to room type 1 or 2, because this rent is 1050, the service charge is 126, the total rent should be 1176, and they pay around 1200, the balance should be around 24 ringgit. So as you can see, a different room has different types and different prices, and the coding will show it. And at the end, you can see the process is completed for each room's room type 1, room type 2, and room type 3. Okay, thank you, madam. That's all. Kishan? Kishan?
thank you very much, madam.